Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Tradetron marketplace. So Tradetron has two aspects. One where you create your own strategy via the create page and deploy it in your account. Other is to browse through the Tradetron marketplace and find your strategy that is suitable to you and deploy that. So the strategies listed on Tradetron are by individual creators, and you can use the filters on the left hand side to filter based on your requirement. So let's say you want to filter or find the strategy which is rated 3 stars and above. So you can click on 3 star here and it will filter out strategy which is 3 star and above. If you want to find a strategy, let's say, which has 3 star and above rating and is trading in MCX, you can click on the MCX option here and it will show all the strategies which is trading in MCX. So strategy has every strategy has certain performance metrics which is listed at the in the marketplace section. One is ROI and one is drawdown, minimum capital. So if you want to get more details, you can click on the strategy name and you can find the description which is written by the strategy creator. You can also find the PNL graph of the strategy since its inception in the marketplace, and you can also find information like standard deviation, Sharpe ratio, drawdown PNL, which is useful to judge a strategy. You can also find the month-wise PNL distribution of the strategy, and you can also find the reviews of the users who have used the strategy. So let's go to marketplace and let's deploy a strategy. So let's say you like Bank Nifty options. So you can click on the subscribe button. You will get an information notification called strategy subscribe successful. Close that. You can go to my strategy page. You can click on marketplace filter. Now this is the strategy at the bottom which you just subscribed 12 seconds ago. Now you can click on the deploy button and you can deploy it in paper trade. Execution type paper trade. Deploy. So this is the strategy which you just deployed in paper trade. Now it is advised that users deploy the strategy in paper trade first to get an idea of how the strategy works, how it takes trade, and if you're comfortable with how the strategy works, then only it is advised to go live auto. So once you paper trade for let's say a week or two and you are comfortable with how the strategy works, you can go to my strategies, again go to the marketplace filter, and then now you can go to deploy, click on the deploy button and select execution type as live auto. And now you can select a broker of your choice. So Tradetron supports 35 plus brokers. You can connect any one of them. So I have connected Finvazia, so I'll select Finvazia and click on the deploy. Now it shows strategy was deployed successfully. Now you can go to the deployed page, and if you scroll at the bottom, it should be ready. So this is the strategy that we just deployed. The execution type is live auto, the broker is Finvazia. So the strategy is an active status and it will take trade whenever the condition is met, which is set as per the strategy creator. If you have any doubts regarding marketplace, we have written a Q&A article here. I will link this in the description below and all your doubts should be clear. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.